Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In this video, we'll have a look at histograms. Let's create a simple histogram using random data. So our imports, our random data here. Let's create some random data. And now we use the hist method to create a histogram. So let's create a simple histogram using this random data. And what we get is this. Here we have the values and here's our histogram. Now, there are lots of arguments you can set to fine-tune your chart. You can change the number of bins, which is by default set to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The bins are of equal width. Now, let's set the bin argument to some other value, like for example 3 bins. So, we pass our data and we set bins to 3. And now we should only get 3 bins. 1, 2, 3. Or how about 30 bins? Now bins equals 30. And we get some more detailed data here. You can change the color of the bins. To do that, you just set the color argument. For example, let's set this color argument to green. And we get a green histogram. You can change the type of the histogram. To do that, you just have to set the hist type argument to one of the predefined values. By default, it's set to bar. Here, it's set to step. Hist type equals step. And what we get is something like this. By default, the histogram is vertical, but you can change its orientation to horizontal. So, you just have to set the orientation argument, like here. Horizontal, and we get a horizontal histogram. And here's how you can set the edge color. So let's make the edge red. Edge color equals red. And we will get a visible red edge color. If you need the logarithmic scale, you can set the log argument to true. So here's a logarithmic scale. You can also set the alpha value. So for example, let's set alpha to 30% opacity and we will get this, semi-transparent. As usual, check out the documentation for more options. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.